Right now, we are living through the biggest transformation in work since the invention of electricity. Artificial intelligence is changing everything. The jobs we do, the way we make money, and even the skills that matter. And here's the truth. AI is going to make some people extremely rich and others completely broke. In this video, you'll discover exactly how to be on the right side of this revolution. Make sure you stay until the end, because I'll reveal the 3 skills that guarantee you'll never be replaced by it. And if you enjoy simple explanations about the future of technology, don't forget to subscribe. So, how is AI changing work faster than any technology in history? Well, AI isn't just another tool like your spreadsheet or email. It's a universal worker. It can write articles, design logos, code websites, analyze massive data sets, summarize long reports, create entire videos, generate stunning images, and even develop complex business strategies. And the craziest part, it learns faster than any human possibly can. Think about it. What used to take a team of 20 employees can now be done by a single person armed with the right AI tools. This is creating a massive gap, and it's growing bigger every single day. It's the gap between people who use AI and people who don't. A common misconception is that AI is coming for our jobs. But the reality is, AI doesn't replace jobs. It replaces people who don't use AI. The choice of which side of that gap you're on is entirely up to you. So, let's talk about the people AI will make rich. There are a few groups of people who are perfectly positioned to benefit from this revolution. The first group is the people who learn how to use AI tools in their daily work. I'm talking about writers, editors, content creators, marketers, basically anyone in a knowledge-based role. By using AI, you can multiply your output by 5 or even 10 times. You can write 10 articles in the time it used to take you to write one. You can generate 100 AD variations in minutes. More output directly translates to more earning power. It's that simple. The second group is the people who build with AI. This includes developers who are now building software at lightning speed, entrepreneurs who can launch a startup with a fraction of the budget, and even no-code builders who can create complex applications without writing a single line of code. These people are not just doing their work faster. They're creating entirely new products and businesses that weren't possible before. The third group is the problem solvers. Someone who can help a business save time or make more money will always be valuable. AI makes finding those solutions easier than ever. You can analyze a company's workflow, identify bottlenecks, and then use AI to automate and optimize those processes. That's a Havadia skill. And finally, the fourth group, the early adopters. In every single technological revolution, electricity, computers, the internet, the people who adapted early always won. AI is no different. The ones who are learning and experimenting right now are the ones who will reap the biggest rewards down the line. Now for the uncomfortable part, let's talk about the people I will make broke. And it's a tough conversation, but it's a necessary one. The first group at risk are people doing highly repetitive tasks. This includes jobs like data entry, basic customer service, low-level writing, or simple administrative work. The truth is, AI is already doing these jobs faster, cheaper, and with fewer errors than a human can. If your job can be described as a series of repeatable steps, it is in danger. The second group consists of people who refuse to learn new tools. Technology waits for no one. AI is evolving not year by year, but month by month. The models get smarter, the tools get better, and the capabilities expand. People who decide to stand still, who think this is just a fad, are going to fall behind very, very quickly. It's like trying to compete in a car race while riding a horse. You simply can't keep up. The third group that will struggle are people who rely on just one single skill. In the past, you could build a career on being just a good writer or just a good coder. That world is disappearing. The new world rewards people who can combine skills. It's about AI plus creativity. It's AI plus communication. AI plus strategic management. AI plus coding. Having one skill alone is no longer enough to be secure. You need to become a skill stacker, combining your core expertise with the power of AI. But it's not all doom and gloom. In fact, it's the opposite. AI is creating new millionaires by opening up opportunities that didn't even exist 5 years ago. Let's explore some of these. The first huge opportunity is in AI content creation. Before, you needed a big studio, a huge budget, and a large team to create high-quality content. Now, you can create professional videos, write compelling scripts, generate incredible images, and edit everything, all from your laptop, faster than ever. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and blogs are booming, and AI makes it easier than ever to build an audience and monetize it. The second opportunity is offering AI automation services. Every single business in the world wants to save time and money. If you can learn how to help companies automate their emails, their report generation, their marketing campaigns, or their customer service using AI, you can charge very high-paying contracts. Businesses are desperate for this expertise. Another big one is AI-enhanced freelancing. A freelancer who masters AI tools can finish a project in just a couple of hours that might take someone else 2 full days. This means they can take on more clients, deliver faster, and ultimately earn significantly more money while working fewer hours. The fourth opportunity is creating digital products with AI. Think ebooks, online courses, design templates, or even simple software, apps, and tools. AI can help you research, create, market, and sell these products at an unprecedented speed. You can build an entire business around digital products you've created with AI's help. And finally, there's AI consulting. Companies are confused and a little scared. They're desperate to understand how AI can help their business. If you take the time to learn it deeply, you can then teach it to others and get paid very well to do so. So, how do you make sure you stay safe from AI and land in that rich category? It comes down to developing the skills that AI cannot replace. Here are the 3 most important ones. Skill number 1 is problem solving. AI is fantastic at giving answers, but it asks a human who has to figure out which problems are worth solving in the first place. Identifying customer needs, seeing gaps in the market, defining a strategic direction, that's a human skill, i.e. it's the tool. You are the strategist. Skill number 2 is creativity. Yes, AI can assist the creative process, but it cannot replace unique human imagination. True originality, groundbreaking ideas, compelling storytelling, and empathetic design thinking, these are things that come from our lived experiences, our emotions, and our unique perspective on the world. These skills will only become more valuable. And skill number 3 is human communication. AI can talk, it can write emails, it can even hold a basic conversation, but it can't build trust. It can't lead a team with empathy. It can't negotiate a complex deal or inspire a room full of people. People with strong emotional intelligence and communication skills will always be the ones leading the charge. To wrap this all up, AI is not the end of work. It is the beginning of a completely new era. Yes, some people will lose their jobs, and that's a difficult reality. But many others will create new careers, build new businesses, and seize new opportunities that we can't even imagine yet. The most important thing to remember is that you get to choose which side of this transformation you re on. You have agency here. Use AI, learn it, adapt early, and you will not only survive, but you will thrive in this new world. If you want a video about the specific AI skills that can make you money in 2025, or a deeper dive into the jobs that'll disappear the fastest, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on the future of work. Thanks for watching.